I'm just out of breath. I just came up the stairs. Okay. You see what I mean when I say new quarantine body? She's not fit. Welcome back to my channel. This week's video is going to be yet another haul because what else am I doing with my time? Actually, I'm very busy working, but today I have this Zara package that I got 2 days ago. And just to let you know, because I know I'm gonna get questions, Zara does do delivery to Morocco. It hasn't even been a year, so the first time I did it was back in November, and now this time. It took exactly the amount of time that they told me it would. It does take like around 3 weeks, so you gotta be very patient with them, but definitely worth it, and I'm very excited because Zara is my favorite shop. I feel like they have really great style, and I always find the style that I want at Zara's. Sometimes I don't, but then I don't necessarily find it in other stores. This is gonna be like kind of a summer haul, even though we have no idea if we're gonna have a summer. Quarantine just got extended for 3 other weeks, so over 2 months now that I've been at home. I don't know how you're doing. I would love to know, but I'm going a little bit loco. I've been going to like little tiny walks in the neighborhood, making sure that nobody's near me. I literally can see people like all together, and then I just go the other way because I cannot be around people, and also people are not wearing their masks, so I don't know why you're taking that risk, but girl, that's your health. So ooh, it's nicely packaged. It's pretty nicely packaged. So this is the first look. Can you see the floral? Also, with this purchase, I did get things that I don't usually get, and I'm 100% sure that if I saw these things in the store, I would have not bought it. But because I was a little bit too confident from the website, you know how you think you can pull something off because you are very comfortable at home, you think you're this, you know, super hot person. That's how I felt. So I was like, I'm gonna get this and this and that, and I don't know if it's gonna fit me. I don't know if it's gonna be the right size for me, but the first thing that I'm pulling off is this floral dress. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. First impression is that it might be a little bit too short, but we're gonna work with it. The material is pretty cute. It's a little bit, to be honest, a little bit too girly for me because I'm not like that girly, but I really like it. I have these moods some days. I have these like super girl in the prairie type of moods, so I think this is the right dress for it. It also cinches in the waist. It has layers over here. I will be trying these on so I can show you like how it looks on me. I got a size medium. I know my sizes in Zara, so I have no fear buying from their website, and their sizes never change. It's exactly the same for me ever since I experimented with them. Alright, this is the dress. I absolutely love it. As predicted, it's short, but it's not too short. I am going to be taking this in because it's a little bit revealing and it's not very much secure, so I will have to secure it myself. It's a little bit loose, as you can see, so I will have to secure it myself. It has this little bit of elastic band here, so it creates a little bit of a ruffle. It's such a beautiful summery dress, I feel like. Really like it. The second thing is this white top. It's a size medium as well. It's this ribbed material. It's white. You guys know, you can see that I really like the white color, especially for spring and summer. I think it's such a fresh color for the season. And yeah, I've always wanted this type of tops, like the ones that go this way. I love them. I only have one. It's the one that I only have two. It's the 2 ones that I actually wore in the past couple videos. So I really like the style. I feel like it's super flattering. Alright, this is the white top. To be honest, I'm not like the hugest fan because it's a little bit large on the chest area. Like, And I honestly watched a lot of Zara hauls and it's the same feedback. So I thought it was gonna fit different on me because I have a little bit of a bigger chest, but nope, that didn't work. This is the material of it. It's a little bit ribbed. See? Should have been like a little, should have been something like this. But anyway, thumbs up, and I will be wearing it for sure. And then I'm an obsessive person. When I like something, I get it in 20 million different ways. So same style again, a little bit of a holler here. This one is much more thinner, like the material is much more thinner. This is gonna be super flattering. Also, this could be a daytime or a nighttime top. So I'm super excited to style it. And from the first impression, I feel like this, which is gonna be around here, is a little bit too large. So we will see. Also, as you can see, it's a little bit cropped. I actually like it. It fits very comfortable. So I'm not like very worried, but it has a little bit more space on this side. So I mean on both sides. So I think it would have been a little bit better if it was like a couple millimeters smaller, but I feel like if it was, I wouldn't be able to put it over my head. So this is the cute ruffles that it has on both sides. What is this? Oh, okay. Second thing is another dress that I got. I was not expecting this material actually, but it's fine, it'll do. It's not something that's like super bad for spring or summer. It's still super light. It's still very thin. It's kind of the same material as this, but a little bit thicker. It has these ruffles around here, and the same ruffles are around the skirt part. I really like it. I'm super excited to see how these things fit, especially with my new body, with my new quarantine body. Not the same thing, let me tell you that. It's a medium as well. Actually, my size, can I talk? My size in Zara is medium. It's 38 for jeans and it's 38 for shoes, but 39 for boots. So if that tells you anything. Alright, this is the second dress. I absolutely love it. It's so cute with these ruffles. Like, it's form-fitting, and then there's these ruffles, and I absolutely love this style for spring and summer. It's really cute. It's not short at all. I tried to sit in it. I can sit. It's definitely not a stretchy material, so I'm very lucky that it's actually fitting me because it's form-fitting. It has a little bit of elastics here, but it's not that stretchy anyway, so it either fits or it doesn't. And then I got jeans. I love Zara jeans. All of my jeans are Zara jeans. The ones that are not Zara jeans, I don't wear anymore. I absolutely love Zara jeans. How much is this? Yeah, 400 bucks. 400 Moroccan dirhams, which is around, what, $40? Between $35 and $40, which I think is a great price for jeans if you're gonna get a lot of wear from them. They're great quality, they fit really well, and my favorite type is the type that has some kind of elasticity to it, because I don't like stiff jeans unless they're boyfriend jeans or mom jeans. Like these ones are mom jeans. They don't have much of elasticity. Can I say that word? They don't have much elasticity to them because they're supposed to fit a little bit larger, so it's fine if they don't have that. And I already have a boyfriend jean from Zara, and that's a little stiff and hard, but it's fine because it's a little bit larger on me. So this is the classic mom fit. I really like... calling me. I really love this color of jeans. I don't have one like this, and I feel like it's such a beautiful color for spring and summer, especially in jeans. I don't know if they're gonna fit. Again, I will be trying them out and letting you guys know, but I hope they fit. These are the jeans and they fit, you guys. I even have a little bit more space. The test is to squat, and we can. So that means they're great. Ooh, this is the exciting part. Ooh, okay, your girl got a swimsuit. I don't know how much use I'm gonna get out of this year, but I really love yellow as a color. I feel like it's such a happy color. And I got this little swimsuit from Zara. This is the first time ever that I've ever gotten a swimsuit from Zara. I have to say, I always get them from Shein.com, but because of this whole pandemic thing, I didn't want to order something from so far away. So I was buying from Zara and I was like, why not? So this is the first time ever. I really like the material. I definitely didn't know what to expect, but I really like it. This is very cute. It's a pastel-y, yellowy color, and I'm very excited to try it on. Also, I'm not going to be showing you me trying this on because I don't feel like going all naked on my videos. This looks better than it looks on the model. I don't know. Zara is really weird with their model pictures. It's like they're modeling the item and it's like the model is in some kind of weird position. It's like, how am I supposed to know how that looks? Like, she's not sitting right. Anyway, but they get really artistic with their shots. And then this is the top. I really love this triangle moment. I don't think I have like a simple triangle thing, and that's what I wanted. And also I wanted something that I can adjust on the sides so that I kind of can decide on where I want the bottom to sit on my body. When it's not adjustable, it's like you kind of have to deal with wherever it sits, and if it's like too tight, then you know it doesn't look that good. But this way I can just adjust it myself. And same thing with this, it's adjustable on the back and on here on the top. But the thing is, this looks a little bit a little bit cheap for Zara, I have to say. I have to cut this and whatever, but this is a size medium as well. I got size medium and I think this is gonna fit. But this one, I'm not so sure, to be honest. The top looks a little bit tiny for me. Oh, I didn't see it this way. It's totally tiny for me. I was debating on getting a large, but I'm gonna have to work with it. I don't care. The last thing that I got is, it was a little bit of a risk for me, a little bit of a fashion risk for me. I have to say. I would have never gotten these if I was at the mall. I would have never bought these because the second this trend was out, it was a Kim Kardashian trend type of thing. That was like a year ago or 2 years ago, I don't know. But when this went out, like when this became a trend, I was like, ew, disgusting. I hate this style. Look at me now buying it. So I don't know if it's my style. Oh god. It's so risky for me. And it looks way too big. Ooh. Whew. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! I don't know if you can see it. I can't see. But these are a clear sandals with a clear heel and the clear bands over here. And the whole point from here is from this style is to make you feel more elongated because your feet look like they don't have shoes on, but at the same time you have some heel on. So it's like that's kind of the point. And this is nude and stuff. It kind of looks a little bit big, and I got it a little bit big because I was like, these might be too tight on my feet, so I got one size bigger because I told you guys I'm technically a 38 in shoes, but I got a 39. Let's see how these fit. I don't know. I'm really not sure. But the reason I got these is because I feel like I only have heels for going out, for clubbing, for, you know, like just really high maintenance night out, and I don't have like a regular daytime kind of thing. I do have that in my fall and winter shoes, but in my summer shoes I only have sandals and sneakers, and then I end up only wearing sneakers. I want to put a little bit more effort in my summer style. I feel like every year when it's fall and winter I put so much effort into my outfits. It's more my style because it's edgy. It's like black booties and like a long coat, a scarf, dark lipsticks and stuff like that. I feel like that's more my vibe. And then when it's summer, I want to be like this really like fresh summery girl, and I'm like, I'm a little bit gothic in my head. I have a little bit of a dark personality. How do I do this? So this year we're trying these. This is what they look like, and I was so right to go up a size, because I knew that in sandals I needed to go up a size. So yeah, this is what they look like. This is everything that I got from Zara. As you can see, I'm super excited. I really love everything that I got, or the style at least. I still don't know. I'm still gonna film right now the try-on portion, so I still don't know how they fit, but I hope that they fit really well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel so you can support, and also follow me on Instagram if you want to see all of these outfits in action, because yes, I will be styling them, because I will not be waiting for quarantine to be lifted. Still 3 weeks to go, guys. I will see you in the next video.